typical task during ECU software calibration is the analysis of measurement data with the help of MDA. During such an analysis, it is often of interest how a specific label is actually being calculated. This is where EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR comes into play. You can connect MDA8 to EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR through the Connect button in the toolbar. On press of Connect, MDA8 will launch EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR where the files will be loaded. In the dialog, choose the ETK target or other hardware device to be associated with this eHandbook file. This is important to map labels of the eHandbook container file to hardware devices in the measure file. After both tools have been coupled, you can now use them together. For example, if you want to know where specific signal is being generated and calculate, right-click in the signal in the instrument in MDA8 and choose Open Signal Documentation. This will pass the label to EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR, where EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR will query the search index. You can filter the search results for function as well as content type in order to find the signal in an interactive model. Double-click on the entry in the search results to open the interactive model. As the measurement file has also been loaded into EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR, you can now annotate the diagram with measurement data. Right-click on a signal of interest and choose Display Value. This will annotate values for 2 points in time, A and B, just like cursors in MDA8. You can see the timestamp of each cursor in the bottom control field. If you want to see measurement values for all the signals in the diagram, press the Display All Values button in the toolbar. In case of overlaps due to insufficient space, apply an auto layout. In order to analyze the measurement scenario, you can now create cursors in MDA8. Note that when you move the cursor in MDA8, this point in time is automatically transferred to EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR so that you can recreate the exact measurement scenario in EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR. If your measure file contains also values for calibration parameters, these will also be annotated into the diagram. Note that you can also step through the measurement data individually in EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR. For example, if you're interested in the value changes of a specific signal, right-click on the signal and choose Set as Reference. You can now choose to step over the values of this measurement signal either by value changes or by raster, in which the measurement signal has been captured. Each time you now hit the next button for one of the cursors, the value for this cursor will also change. So with both EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR and MDA8, it is now much easier to analyze your measurement data and analyze complex scenarios and find bugs and issues during calibration.